In every corner of our world, from the deepest jungles to the most arid deserts, life has found a way to flourish, often in the most unexpected and extraordinary forms. We often marvel at the animal kingdom, but there is another kingdom, equally dramatic and just as strange. It is the world of plants, a silent, slow-motion drama of survival and competition, an astonishing adaptation. Today, we journey into this hidden realm to uncover some of nature's most bizarre and brilliant creations. These are not your garden variety flowers or common houseplants. These are living sculptures, botanical architects, and cunning survivors that have developed strategies so peculiar they almost defy belief. They can mimic stones, smell of death to attract life, and even possess the ability to consume living creatures. Their existence is a testament to the sheer power and boundless imagination of evolution. Join me, Ryan, as we explore these marvels. We will travel across continents and climates to witness these wonders firsthand. Prepare to see the plant kingdom as you have never seen it before. Our journey begins in the dense tropical rainforests of Sumatra, home to a true giant of the botanical world. Here, after years, sometimes even decades of silent growth, a spectacular event unfolds. It is the blooming of Amorphophallus titanum, known as the corpse flower. Not a single flower, but a colossal inflorescence, over 3 meters tall. A deep crimson spathe reveals a towering central spike. As it opens, it releases an overwhelming stench of decaying flesh. This is not a flaw, it is a sophisticated evolutionary strategy. The smell, so offensive to us, irresistibly draws carrion beetles and flesh flies. The spadix even heats up, vaporizing and dispersing the scent through the jungle. Deceived, the insects become covered in pollen, during a bloom that lasts only a day or two, all powered by a huge corm storing years of energy. Unsettling, yes, but a masterclass in survival. We now move to the boggy wetlands of the Carolinas in North America, the only place where this marvel grows wild. In nutrient-poor soil, it evolved a radical solution. At first glance, unassuming, but these are spring-loaded jaws, 2 hinged lobes fringed with cilia, and 3 tiny trigger hairs. No false alarms, raindrops and debris won't trigger the trap. A victim must touch 2 hairs in quick succession or the same hair twice. Then, snap, in less than 1/10 of a second. A rapid shift in water pressure drives the motion. Cilia form a cage, small fry can slip out, bigger prey is held. Continued struggling seals the trap, digestive enzymes go to work. Over 5 to 12 days, nutrients, especially nitrogen and phosphorus, are absorbed. The trap reopens, the empty shell a lure for the next. A miniature yet incredibly dramatic struggle on the forest floor. In each of these marvels, form follows function, perfectly tuned for survival. Our quest now takes us to the arid, sun-scorched landscapes of southern Africa. Here, living stones master camouflage, virtually invisible among pebbles. Crypsis is their defense against hungry herbivores. Each plant is just 2 fleshy leaves with a small fissure between them. A translucent top acts like a window, piping light below ground. Once a year, the disguise breaks. One daisy-like flower opens to the afternoon sun. We return to carnivory. This time, patient trappers found in wetlands and jungles. Leaves become deep, liquid-filled pitfalls. The lure, vibrant color, intriguing patterns, and sweet nectar. The rim is dangerously slippery, especially when wet. One slip, and down they go. Waxy walls and downward hairs force victims further down. Some pitchers use enzymes, others host larvae and bacteria. A miniature ecosystem that breaks down prey. In the Namib Desert lives a plant so strange it seems from another time. It grows just 2 leaves, for up to 2,000 years. Leaves grow continuously, shredded by wind into ribbons. Its survival hinges on harvesting coastal fog. Condensed droplets feed shallow roots and a deep taproot. Slow metabolism, cone-like structures, a lineage bridging ancient plant worlds. A profound symbol of resilience, a slow-motion miracle anchored in the desert. For our final wonder, we travel to Socotra, the dragon's blood tree. Its dense, upturned canopy shades and channels precious moisture. When wounded, it exudes a thick, crimson resin, like blood. This lifeblood seals wounds, prevents water loss, and defends against pests and disease. For millennia, humans prized dragon's blood as pigment, medicine, and varnish, linking this remote island to the wider world. Beneath their interlocking canopies, it feels like another planet. From the giant foul-smelling corpse flower to the ancient bleeding dragon's blood tree, we have journeyed through nature's strangest creations. We've seen plants that hunt, that hide, and that endure for ages, each a masterpiece of adaptation. Their bizarre forms are finely tuned solutions, honed by evolution's relentless creativity. There are countless wonders still hidden, reminding us to look closer and protect the biodiversity that makes them possible. The world is full of marvels if we only take the time to see them.